best midsize sports sedans for 2024 Acura TLX Type S. In the realm of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Acura TLX Type S stands out as a beacon of performance, luxury, and innovation, representing the pinnacle of Acura's engineering prowess and design philosophy. As the high-performance variant of the TLX lineup, the Type S embodies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences without compromising on comfort or refinement. Powering the 2024 Acura TLX Type S is a potent 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, producing an impressive 355 horsepower and 354 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and Acura's super-handling all-wheel drive (SHAWD) system, the Type S delivers thrilling acceleration and precise handling. The TLX Type S can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, showcasing its formidable performance capabilities. The Type S's dynamic prowess is further enhanced by its advanced chassis and suspension systems. Acura's sport-tuned suspension with adaptive dampers ensures excellent ride comfort and responsive handling, while the SHAWD system optimizes traction and stability in various driving conditions. The TLX Type S features high-performance brakes with optional Brembo calipers, providing confident stopping power and precise control. Visually, the 2024 Acura TLX Type S exudes a sporty and aggressive aesthetic. Its sleek exterior design features sculpted lines, a signature diamond pentagon grille with gloss black accents, and jewel-eye LED headlights. The Type S rides on 20-inch alloy wheels, further accentuating its athletic stance. Functional aerodynamic elements such as a rear diffuser and deck lid spoiler enhance both performance and visual appeal. Inside the cabin, the TLX Type S offers a luxurious and technology-rich environment. Premium materials such as Milano leather upholstery, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting create an upscale ambience. The driver-centric cockpit features bolstered sports seats with Type S embossing, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and Acura's intuitive True Touchpad interface infotainment system. The TLX Type S is equipped with a 12.3-inch HD display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium ELS Studio 3D audio system. Safety features are also a priority in the 2024 Acura TLX Type S. The sedan comes equipped with Acura Watch, a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a surround view camera system. These features provide added peace of mind and enhance overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Acura TLX Type S sets a new standard for midsize sports sedans, offering a compelling combination of performance, luxury, and technology. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the TLX Type S promises an exhilarating driving experience that will appeal to enthusiasts and luxury car buyers alike.